Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am doing an add-on to the beginning of this video because this was part of some of the haul that I forgot to add on to the last video I just showed for my sister. So I'm just putting it on the beginning. But this is, I had picked it up from the Dollar Tree. I thought about these, using these as some tags. And these are felt kiss, love, and hug. I also picked up me two house mouse stamps. So the first one is in the teacup, and it is Coffee Crazy. Excuse me, not teacup, coffee cup. You know it's a teacup. 2067952. And the next one is Doorbell Ring, 2067955. And I posted them on Instagram. They had quite a few. I didn't even get all of them. And then I got me this die. This is a nested lacy pennants for $4.99. 204-7441, 7-piece set. Spellbinders is S5029. And I missed it when they had this out before. Still can't find the one I wanted, which was the tag one. With all the different bottoms. So that's a 3-piece set and 4-piece banner, and then the 3-piece, 4-piece pennant and 3-piece banner. Nice sizes. So the rest of this is what my sister got that was supposed to be added on. I still didn't get her balls and folders that I was supposed to show you, but this is the Tri-Hex by Linear Lock, and this is 204-7428. Let's look at this to see what it looks like. This is the Kaleidoscope series, like the other ones. So this one would be a neat one to paper piece, where you know stencil different colors behind it or something. So and then the rest of her stuff. It's got another Tim Holtz stencil and manila tags. These are 6 1/4 by 3 1/8, and it is 205-8337 for $4.99. She also got the Dilutions border stamp and stencil 2-piece, 207-9142. So again, that's the border you can stamp with that, and then the stencil that you can use some modeling paste, trace it, you know, ink through it, however you want to do that. And then she got this last large stencil, 1967909. This is alpha border. So it has the numerics right here, but then it has the alpha in that script, which is lowercase. And then just that geometric print there, and then those border prints as well. So that was the rest of her haul. So you can stay tuned for the rest of her haul. Only thing's missing her, I think, 3 embossing folders I didn't have to show you that she got while she was here visiting shopping at Tuesday morning. Well, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Stay tuned. Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul for my sister. This is my sister's haul, and I'm just going to show you the items that she picked out. She's into art. She's more the artsy side than crafty, and so she likes more mixed media stuff, which she's got me to get some as well, but I will show you what she's got. This is the Heidi Swap Imagine, and this is 1929996, and of course this has been in TM for a while. She's in Georgia. And this one is the Vintage Market 7 Gypsies tags 50 pack, 2078473 for $2.99. And I'm just going to peek at what some of her tags will look like, just in case somebody's looking at this. So you got tickets, you know, manila color ones, different random ones. Most of these are paper quality, some of them thicker, cardstock quality. And it has a shimmer to it. I don't know if you can see, you probably can't see that. It's dark. This is not a matte board, but it's It's not even a chalkboard. Well, kind of like a chalkboard, but it's more a rubbery kind of a feel. This is a slick filling. So different sizes and shapes. This one is manila with specks in it. And this, these black ones, similar to the other black, but a little different. This is shimmered, like a linen shimmered craft. So this is like glossy feel. Paper. Chipboard. So different texture tag. So that's, hence again, she's mixed media. So that makes a lot of sense. But I hadn't seen what was in those. That's some little tickets. So if you're looking for something like that, and she's going to give me some of those. I'm supposed to make something together, but I know that's not going to happen. We promised to do so much stuff. But we have managed to find time to eat, though. We've managed to find time to go out to eat, which is funny. She's got this Maya Rose. And I think this, she said she bought this for me, I think. 2070030 chipboard album, $1.19. It would have been nice, the rings on this side, but I don't know, we could flip it. She got this one thinking she doesn't have this one, but I think she does, because I think this is the one I bought for her before. I think, but anyway, she's gonna check. If not, she'll give it to me. This is the Brick Gears Tim Holtz 2058338, and it's $4.99. So it's 2 stencils, and it has 5 manila tags at 6 1/4 by 3 1/8. She's got 2 of the enamel dots. This is the Project Life, $1.49 at 2079533. 28 pieces in nice pastel colors. And they had, I think, I've seen 3 different ones. Thunderstorm, French, and I think Splatters, I think. So we kind of came to the conclusion this was the one that we liked the best. But they're all kind of the same, but just different effects. You know, lighter and darker amounts of splatter. Spellbinder's number is SBS 015. Tuesday morning number is 2047470. Nice background stamp. And so these are the dies that she picked up. Hers are more abstract. Well, they all are in some sense, but you'll see what I mean. So she's got the Symmetry in Space, and they also had a pyramid one. They also had there's a couple other ones. This is 2047426. I don't know what the Spellbinder's numbers is. But anyway, you can look that one up by Leni Locke. And she's got another one, which is a trapezoid motif, and 2047424. Oh, I'm sorry. That's how big that is. Okay, throwing her stuff. All right, so that is 3 1/4 by 5.75. Sometimes I make art shapes, but I know when you're trying to make these things. So you can stencil through it. You really could paper piece all those little teeny pieces and drive yourself crazy. I guess you could even spackle through it as well. Same, but this is 3.05 by 5 3/4. I already have this one. Sprightly Sprocket 6-piece, and it's S5048. She also, oh, I meant to get her other bag out of the car. She bought the DaretoBeCreative Gears embossing folder, which, you know, you've seen those. And she also bought, gosh, I left that in the car. So she bought 3 embossing folders, and I got her to get yeah, three. One was brick. One was the gears to go with this. And what was the other one? I don't know, but you've seen them. It's a geometric shape one from that's been sitting in Tuesday morning for a while with the Doris embossing folders. And she got 2 of them from off the clearance aisle with an additional 25% off. I think she paid, because it's $1.99, I think she might have paid 79 cents. So she got the embossing folders to match. This was a different one that she got. Planting Love. It's a 3-piece. 204-7453. Spellbinders is S5228. Did I read that? S5048. I didn't read that. Yeah, I already own that one, so it's funny we both like that one. This was a different one. She's on the fence about this one. But I don't know, it is kind of different. So it's 2 trees. And then this is the, well, I call it confetti die, but actually it's to cut out the leaves, the hearts that can go on here. And so it's supposed to be like a heart-shaped tree. But in some respects, it kind of looks like a barren tree. But you would think with hearts, you should have love and greenery. I made a new word up. I don't think greenage is a word. So I don't know if she's going to keep that or not. She didn't Google her images like I do. This is a trifecta. And I think I have that one. 204-7436. And can't see the number. This is by Sept after he's done quite a few of their mixed media look. So, although it seems simplistic, you can use this in a lot to add dimension to a page. So that's what that is. And they're kind of the wonky shapes, and that's what you want for mixed media. And this is another one of his designs. It's called Drip Dry 3-piece set. 204-7437. And I can't remember if I showed that up close or not. Whoops, sorry. Sorry, but you see the numbers. So again, those drips. I like this die. I'm gonna get this one for myself. I don't know. She'll help me do something with it, I'm sure. But I like it. It's funny, you know, I used to never like mixed media looks and stuff. I used to think I'm so ugly. But she showed me so much stuff that made me like it. So anyway, that's my sister's haul from Tuesday morning. And like I said, hers is more of an artistic one than crafting, although it still can be used for both crafters and artists, whatever. But she's here. I figured, hey, it's another video. I can show you some of the other products in case you haven't seen those. So she let me show her stuff. And if she gets any more stuff, I will come up and haul them as well so you can see it. Anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.